Hello students, welcome to YouTube channel of Akshar Education. In this video we are going to discuss solution of quadratic equation by using quadratic formula. That quadratic formula is also known as Sridharacharya's rule. So let us now study what is quadratic formula. Solution of any quadratic equation by using quadratic formula. So quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 and condition is a is not equal to 0. What we have done in completing square method, that we have to do over here. We have to divide this equation on the both sides by a because we have to remove this coefficient of x square. So here it's a x square plus b by a x plus c by a equal to 0. Now for the very next step you have to take this constant term on the right hand side. So we are having x square plus b by a x equal to minus c by a. You have to consider this coefficient of this x, divide it by 2 and then take the square and add that square on the both sides of this equation. So it will be x square plus b by a x plus b upon 2a whole square equal to b upon 2a whole square minus c upon a. So this factorization of this left hand side is x plus b upon 2a whole square equal to, this will be b square upon 4a square minus c upon a. This will be x plus b upon 2a whole square equal to, taking this 4a square as a LCM, so it's a b square minus 4ac. Again left hand side as it is, x plus b upon 2a whole square. Here taking square root on both sides, so we are taking plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. So this will be x plus b upon 2a. Now taking square root separately on numerator as well as denominator, so it will be plus or minus, this is square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Done. Now taking this b by 2a on the right hand side, so we are getting our solution. So x equal to minus b upon 2a plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now again this 2a is the LCM, so x is minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So now we are defining the discriminant of this quadratic equation, that is delta. Sometimes it may be represented by d, discriminant of this quadratic equation, which is nothing but the value of this term b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac, that is our discriminant. So if it is greater than or equal to 0, then we can say that quadratic equation has real root. Quadratic equation has real roots if discriminant delta is greater than or equal to 0, and that real roots are alpha and beta. So alpha is minus b plus square root of delta by 2a, and the second root is beta, which is minus b minus square root of delta upon 2a. Done. So this is known as general formula for Sridharacharya's rule. Quadratic equation, quadratic formula, it is also known as Sridharacharya's rule. Sridharacharya's rule. It is also known as quadratic formula. to find the solution of any quadratic equation. Clear students? Pause the video and note it down. Question number 1. The instruction is determine the given quadratic equation has real root or not. If it is has, then find the roots. So first you have to check whether the given quadratic equation has real roots or not. Real roots exist or not. And if the real root exists, you have to find the real roots. So what is the condition to find the what is the condition to check whether the given equation has real roots or not? For that you have to find the discriminant of the given quadratic equation. So now the given quadratic equation is 9x square plus 7x minus 2 equal to 0. So compare this given quadratic equation with standard form. So ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So comparing this equation with the standard form, we are getting the value of a. A is 9. B, coefficient of x, which is 7, and c, which is constant term, which is minus 2. Done. To check whether the given equation has real root or not, we have to find the value of its discriminant delta. So delta is given by b square minus 4ac. Delta discriminant, two signs are used. B square, so it's a 7 square minus 4 into a is 9, into c, c is minus 2. So 7 square is 49, minus minus plus 4 nines are 36 into 2. It's a 36 into 72. So now this addition is 11, 9 plus 2, 11, 5 and 12, 121. So which is greater than 0. So delta greater than 0. So we know that when delta is greater than or equal to 0, real roots exist. Real roots exist. Given quadratic equation has real roots. If delta is less than 0, then given quadratic has imaginary rules. And how to find the imaginary rules? For that you have to check the chapter number 4 or chapter number 5 of your 11th standard. Clear students? So up to 10th standard you have to find only real roots. So here delta is greater than or equal to 0, delta greater than 0, so real root exists, and if real root exists, you have to find that real roots. So which are the real roots? Definition is, or the formula for the real roots, alpha and beta, two real roots are there. So formula for alpha is minus b plus square root of delta by 2a, and the second root beta, which is minus b minus square root of delta by 2a. Put the values. So it's a minus b is 7, so minus 7 plus square root of delta discriminant, which is 121, divided by 2 into a is the coefficient of x square, which is 9. So it's a minus 7 plus square root of 121, 11 square 121, 2 nines are 18. So 11 minus 7, 4 by 18. So after cutting we are getting 2 by 9. So value of alpha is 2 by 9. First root of this equation is alpha by 2 by 9, that is alpha. Beta minus b, so it's a minus 7 minus 121 by 2 into a. It's a minus 7 minus 11 by 18, that is equal to minus 18 by 18. So second real root of this quadratic equation is minus 1. Two real roots are there. They are 2 by 9 and minus 1. Clear students? So this is how you can find the discriminant of this given equation. If the discriminant is greater than or equal to 0, the real root exists, and if the real root exists, you have to find that both the roots. So now next one. First you have to check whether the given quadratic equation, whether for this given quadratic equation real roots exist or not. So for that you have to find the value of discriminant. So first you have to compare this given equation with the standard form of this quadratic equation. So we are getting a equal to 1, b equal to 1, and also c equal to 2. Now find discriminant delta, that is equal to b square minus 4ac. b square 1 square minus 4, a is 1, c is 2. This is 1 minus 8. The value of discriminant delta is minus 7, which is less than 0. So delta is less than 0. So we can say that for this given quadratic equation, real roots not exist. Equation has imaginary roots. So real roots does not exist. We have to find only real roots. So no real root exists for this given equation. Clear students? Pause the video and note it down. Okay, now question number 3. We have to solve this equation by using quadratic formula. So first you have to convert this given equation into the standard form of quadratic equation. So for the simplification, take x plus 2 and x minus 4 as the LCM. So cross multiplication, so it will be x minus 1 into x minus 4 plus x minus 3 into x plus 2 whole divided by multiplication. It's x plus 2 x minus 4 and this is equal to 10 by 3. Clear? Now expansion, it's a x square minus 5x plus 4 plus x square minus x minus 6 divided by, this will be x square minus 2x minus 8 equal to 10 by 3. So this one is 2x square minus 6x minus 2 divided by x square minus 2x minus 8 equal to 10 by 3. Again cross multiplication, so it's a 3 multiplied by, so it's a 3 to the 6x square minus 18x minus 6 equal to, this will be 10x square minus 20x minus 80. Take both the terms on the left hand side. So it's a 6x square minus 10x square minus 4x square minus 18x plus 20x. So plus 2x minus 6 plus 80. So plus 74 equal to 0. Take minus 2 common. So it will be 2x square minus x minus 37 equal to 0. Minus 2 to the minus 4 minus 2 plus and plus. Now this is one equation. This is the standard form of quadratic equation. Compare this form with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So we are getting value of a now, which is equal to 2. Value of b, which is equal to minus 1. B is minus 1 and c is minus 37. Done. Now we have to check whether the given equation is real root or not. For that, find the value of delta, also known as b square minus 4ac. So this is equal to b square minus 1 square minus 4a 2 and c is minus 37. So this is equal to minus 1 square 1 minus minus plus 4 to the 8 37 8 za 56 8 3 za 24 and 29 296 d है ना, ये स्क्वायर रूट में नहीं आएगा है ना, डेल्टा विदाउट स्क्वायर रूट होता है. सो डेल्टा इज बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac. So delta is 297, which is greater than 0. Delta greater than 0, yes. So real root exists. So real roots exist. Clear students? Real root exists. So you have to find the real roots. So real roots are alpha and beta. Alpha beta minus b plus or minus square root of delta upon 2a. So that value minus b. So minus minus plus, minus minus 1 plus or minus 297 upon 2a is 2. So alpha and beta are 1 plus or minus square root of 297 divided by 4. So this is how you can find the values of real roots of the given equation which is not in standard form. First you have to convert this equation into standard form, find the discriminant and then find the real roots. Clear students? Pause the video. Okay, now question number 4. You have to solve this equation. Again, the given equation is quadratic equation but it is not in the standard form, and we have to solve this equation by using the quadratic formula. So for that we must require our given equation in standard form, which is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 form. So first you have to simplify this. So this is mixed number, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10 by 3. So first convert this mixed number into fraction and here perform cross multiplication. So it's x minus 1 into x minus 4 plus x minus 3 into x minus 2 whole divided by x minus 2 into x minus 4, and this is equal to 10 by 3. Now expansion, this will be x square minus 5x plus 4 plus x square minus 5x plus 6. Denominator, it's x square minus 6x plus 8 equal to 10 by 3. So here it's a 2x square minus 10x plus 10 divided by x square minus 6x plus 8 equal to 10 by 3. Cross multiply. So 3 2s are 6x square minus 3 10s are 30x plus 30 equal to 10 into this term, x square minus 6x plus 8. So it will be 10x square minus 60x plus 80. Now taking all these terms on the left hand side, so it's a 6x square minus 10x square, so which is minus 4x square minus 30x plus 60x, so it's a plus 30x plus 30 minus 80, which is minus 50 equal to 0. And here we can take 2 common, or we can say minus 2 common, so it's a 2x square minus 15x plus 25 equal to 0. So this is our quadratic equation in standard form. So compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So we are getting the different values of a. So value of a is coefficient of x square, which is 2. Value of b, coefficient of x, which is minus 15, and value of c, which is constant term, and it is 25. Clear students? Now we have to find discriminant delta. So delta is b square minus 4ac, b square minus 15 square. So b is minus 15, so it's a b square minus 4 into a is 2 and c is 25, minus 15 square. So 1 2s are 2, 225 minus 200, 25 2s are 50, 54s are 200. So delta equal to 25, and 25 is greater than 0. So positive value is there, greater than equal to 0. So we can say that given equation has real roots and real roots exist. So we have to find that real roots. So alpha is minus b plus square root of delta by 2a, and beta is minus b minus square root of delta by 2a. So alpha minus b, so it's a minus b. What is b? It's a minus 15 plus square root of delta. Square root of delta is aksar 25 divided by 2a. So this is equal to minus 15 plus 5 by 4. So alpha equal to minus 15 plus 5, minus 10 by 4, minus 10 by 4. So alpha equal to minus 5 by 2. First root, second root is beta. beta equal to minus b. So it's a minus 15 minus square root of delta. Delta is 25 divided by 2a. A is 2. So this is equal to minus minus plus 15 minus 5 by 4. So beta equal to 10 by 4. So beta is 5 by 2. So real roots exist. Two roots are there. Minus 5 by 2 and plus 5 by 2. Clear students? So this is how you can solve this question number 4. Pause the video and note it down. Okay students, यहाँ पर minus b is there, so minus 15 is there, so minus minus plus 15 is there, so 15 plus 5, 15 plus 5 is 20, 20 by 4, 20 by 4, so answer is 5 है ना. आंसर वेरीफाई भी किया करो. So two real roots exist, which is 5 and 5 by 2. So now pause the video and note it down. Okay students, now check this question number 5, which is most important question. Here you have to solve this equation by using the quadratic formula, but the equation is abx square plus b square minus ac into x minus b is equal to 0. So here compare this equation with standard form of equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here I consider as a capital ABC because small abc are given in our question. ना क्वेश्चन के अंदर ही आपको स्मॉल ABC दिए हुए हैं, तो यहाँ पर आप ऐसे कोफिशिएंट स्मॉल ABC नहीं यूज़ कर सकते, तो कैपिटल यूज़ किए. सो हियर आफ्टर कंपेयरिंग दिस कोफिशिएंट वी आर गेटिंग कैपिटल A इक्वल टू स्मॉल AB, कैपिटल B इक्वल टू B स्क्वायर माइनस AC and capital C equal to minus BC. First we have to check whether the real roots exist or not. So for that we have to find the value of discriminant, which is B square minus 4AC. So B square minus 4AC, and this is equal to B square. So B square minus AC whole square minus 4AC. A is AB and C is minus BC. So this is equal to B raised to 4 minus 2AB square C plus A square C square minus minus plus 4AB square C. So this is equal to B raised to 4. These are the like terms. So this is B raised to 4 plus 2AB square C plus A square C square. So this is again square of which term? B square plus AC whole square. So whole square is there, which is never equal to 0. And the square of any real number is always greater than equal to 0. It will be never negative. So which is always greater than equal to 0. So here we can say that real roots exist. Real roots exist. So you have to find that real roots. Done. So real roots are alpha and beta. So let alpha equal to, formula is minus b minus capital B plus square root of delta by 2a, and beta is minus b minus square root of delta upon 2a. Put the values of delta, capital B, capital A over here. We are getting the values of alpha and beta. So now first root alpha equal to minus b, which is b square minus AC plus square root of delta. So square root of delta is b square plus AC whole square upon 2a, 2 capital A is AB. So this is equal to minus b square minus AC plus this square root will be cut. So it is b square plus AC divided by 2ab. Now open this bracket. This is minus b square plus AC plus b square plus AC divided by 2ab. Minus b square plus b square cut. So this one is AC plus AC, 2AC by 2AB, 2 cut. So alpha equal to C by B. First real root is C by B. Second root, that is our beta. Beta is minus B square minus AC. Now minus sign, square root of B square plus AC whole square divided by 2AB. So this is equal to, open this bracket, so this is minus B square plus AC, this will be minus square root will be cut, so it's a B square plus AC upon 2AB. So this is equal to minus B square plus AC minus B square minus AC upon 2AB, plus AC minus AC cut, minus B square, so minus 2B square upon 2AB, 2 cut, 1B is cut, so beta equal to minus B by A. So two real roots are there, alpha and beta. Value of alpha is C by B, value of beta is minus B by A. Clear students? So this is how you can solve your question number 5. Pause the video and note it down. Now students, consider this question number 6. 16 upon x minus 1 equal to 15 upon x plus 1 is there. So first we have to solve this equation by using general formula, quadratic formula. For that we have to convert this equation into standard form. So here 16 upon x minus 1 is there, so perform cross multiplication. So it will be 16 minus x divided by x, and this is equal to 15 upon x plus 1. Now cross multiply, so it will be 16 minus x into x plus 1 equal to 15x. So here 16x plus 16 minus x square minus x equal to 15x. So simplification is minus x square, 16x minus x, 15x minus 15, so it's a 0. So plus 16 equal to 0. So here we are getting x square equal to 16. Here we have to use quadratic formula, don't forget it, है ना. आप ऐसे करके डायरेक्ट फैक्टराइजेशन में चले जाते हो. So here x square minus 16 equal to 0. So compare this equation with standard form, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So here value of a is 1, b equal to 0 and c equal to minus 16. So first we have to find the value of discriminant delta. So delta is b square minus 4ac. So b square 0, 0 square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is minus 16. So delta is 16 4s are 64, which is greater than 0. So we can say that real roots exist. Real roots exist. So real roots are alpha and beta equal to minus b plus or minus square root of delta upon 2a. So minus b is 0, plus or minus delta 64 upon 2 into a is 1. So alpha and beta equal to plus or minus square root of 64 is 8 by 2. So alpha beta equal to plus or minus 4. Two roots are there, alpha is plus 4, beta is minus 4. Clear students? नॉर्मली आप क्या करते हो, यहाँ पर एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 16 डायरेक्ट आप कर देंगे एक्स स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 16 और एक्स इक्वल टू प्लस और माइनस 4, है ना. बट क्वेश्चन इज सॉल्व दिस इक्वेशन बाय यूजिंग क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला. तो यहाँ पर आपके मार्क्स कट जाएंगे. ठीक है, तो याद रखना है जो भी मेथड स्पेसिफाई किए उसी मेथड से आपको इक्वेशन का सॉल्यूशन निकालना है. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? सो पॉज द वीडियो एंड नोट इट.